Did you know 75% of small businesses struggle deeply with online marketing, especially SEO? Are you pouring money into tactics that feel like shouting into a void, leaving your website buried? Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching this video. The truth is, many small businesses make fundamental mistakes that actively hurt their rankings. So let's uncover them. First, keyword stuffing. This outdated idea of jamming keywords everywhere. Google sees right through it. It makes your content unreadable and signals you're prioritizing machines over people. Bad news for your rankings. Second, ignoring local SEO. For brick and mortar businesses, neglecting your Google business profile is like leaving money on the table. When someone searches coffee shop near me, Google uses Google Business Profile. An incomplete profile means you're invisible to ready to buy local customers. Third, chasing algorithms over customers. Many focus on what they think Google wants instead of what their customers actually need. If your content doesn't match what a user is looking for, they leave your site fast. This mismatch kills your SEO efforts. Fourth, the set it and forget it trap. SEO isn't a one-time project. Algorithms change, competitors emerge, and user behaviors shift. Consistent effort, monitoring, and adaptation are key to staying visible. And finally, technical debt. A slow loading, mobile unfriendly, or insecure website actively undermines all your hard work. Google prioritizes user experience, so technical flaws frustrate both users and search engines. So, what's the one fix that actually moves the needle? It's a fundamental shift, relentlessly focusing on understanding and serving user intent with high quality, relevant content. User intent is the why behind a search. Are they looking for information like how to fix a leaky faucet? Researching products like best laptops for graphic design? Or ready to buy, like buy running shoes online? When your content perfectly matches this intent, Google rewards you with higher rankings. And users, they stay, engage, and convert because you've given them exactly what they wanted. Think of Anne's boutique blooms. She had a slow site and generic keywords. But once she focused on intent, optimizing a Google business profile, and creating pages for wedding flower packages or sympathy arrangements, her business soared. She saw a 300% increase in calls. How do you implement this? Start with deep dive keyword and intent research. What questions are your customers really asking? Then, optimize your website's headlines and descriptions to clearly communicate how you meet that intent. Make sure your local SEO, especially your Google business profile, is pristine and active. Next, create compelling intent-driven content. Blog posts that answer questions, detailed service pages, helpful guides. Be that expert. And don't forget the technical foundations. Make sure your site is fast, mobile-friendly, and secure. A healthy site lets your amazing content shine. Stop guessing. Start today by asking, what problems do my customers need solved? What information helps them make a confident decision? Craft content that speaks directly to these needs. So once you embrace this intent-driven approach and watch your business rise in rankings and flourish with eager, ready to convert customers. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.